Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic regarding the references. When we add references by some reference manager software like EndNote, then we need to modify or we need to edit the font size and font style for those references that we have added in our paper. For example, here the text that I want to write for my paper, it is in Times New Roman and 11 font size. Okay, and I want to add the reference. For example, if I want to add reference here, I will go to my EndNote, and for example, I want to cite this reference. I will go to here, insert citation, and then we'll click the reference, and the reference will automatically be added to the end of the document as a bibliography. For example, here you can see it is added to the end of the document as a reference. So what I want to do, I want to make for example, if I want to make it as Times New Roman, for example, if I select this, or if I place a cursor here on the reference, it is in Calibri with the 11 font size, and the line spacing for this is 1. Okay, so I have to change the reference style, like reference, I want to change its style into font size into 12. If I select from here, and then I will select 12 font size manually, then press enter, and I will select Times New Roman here, and then it is for now, like for temporary reason, you can say it is updated according to my style and font size. But when I go to my EndNote and update the reference, citations and bibliography, it again comes into the Calibri. Like you can see here, if I go to home, I place the cursor here, it again got converted into Calibri. So this is not a permanent solution to edit the font style and font size of your references if you are adding by software. For this, you have to go to the your like EndNote reference setting. Like for example, I want to make its Times New Roman with 12 font size and 1.5 line spacing. So what I need to do, I will select any of the reference from the reference list, and then I will go to EndNote 21 here from the toolbar, and here you can see an option of this small arrow. Like this small arrow, categorized references, instant formatting on, and this small arrow here, it is configure bibliography. You can edit font size and font style for your bibliography from here. So you have to click on this small arrow. Once you click on this box will appear to you. Here you can select, go to layout, and from layout you can select your font. Like it is adjusted Calibri here, like the automatic you can say automatic setting of the EndNote is the Calibri with 11 font size and one line spacing of 1 in every EndNote. So you have to change from here. You can select from here, like you can scroll down here from by this, or else you can type here as time. Like you can just type T, and then all the time T font style will appear. You can select Times New Roman from here, and from size you can select your size from here. I will select 12, and bibliography number you want to start from 1. If you want to start your bibliography number from 5, 6, 7, then it's up to you. You can update or edit the number here, but generally the bibliography starts from 1 if it is numbered, and if it is in some other format like APA 7 or some other Vanguard type format, then there is no numbered bibliography. They are arranged alphabetically. Okay, so it depends upon how you can which output style will you select for your bibliography. So we have already discussed about the how to change the output style and how to edit the references according to any journal format. We will provide the link of those videos in description, you can check. So here the next thing is line spacing. If I want to keep the line spacing of 1.5, I will select from 1.5. If you want to keep any kind of indent from left and right side, you can also update that. And after doing all these changes, you can click on OK. So once you click on this, you can see like it is automatically updated into the Times New Roman and 12 font size. Okay, so in this way you can, if I again update the references, it will be it will be automatically selected as Times New Roman and 12 font size after, even after updating. The next thing is now how you can change its into like justifying both sides. So you can select the data from here, and you can go to here this justify, or else you can press Ctrl J to make it justify from both sides. Okay, so in this way you can make your references editable from EndNote setting. And also here, if you want to keep any kind of brackets or any kind of other changes, you can also go to this small arrow, and you can select output style. For example, here the output style selected was APA 7, and you can select any output style from here. Or else if you can't find your required style from this menu bar, you can browse it as well from your EndNote. Or else you can go to your EndNote, and you can go to here tools, and then output style, and you can open style manager, and you can select any reference style, and you can tick from here, and then you can go to your Word file, and then you can update after selecting your output style from here. Okay, so this is the process of editing your references in a Word file. And even after updating again and again, this Times New Roman, this font size and font writing, it will not be changed. Okay, so this is the best way to do the editing for your references. And for theory of your paper, you can do it manually, like selecting this, selecting the whole data, and then increasing its size to 12, and line spacing 1.5. So according to your requirement. So this is all about today's video. I hope it helped you a lot in editing your references in a scientific term. So in coming videos, we will discuss some more interesting topics about EndNote and research writing. So stay tuned with Young Researchers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.